I have a Google Home Mini here. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset, okay? So very simple. First thing is just make sure that it's plugged in and it's having power. Go ahead and turn your Google Home Mini over and we see where the charging port is. If you look right below that, you see like a little circle, a little button right there. That's the factory reset button. So what you want to do is you want to press and hold this for about 15 seconds, okay? So just follow along. Here's the button right here. I'm going to press it 1, 2, 3. Press and hold, do not let go. I'm still holding.
You're about to completely reset Google Home. To cancel, release the button.
I'm going to proceed. I'm not going to let go of the button. As soon as you hear that, let go, and you're good to go. You just performed a factory reset. And now what you can do is you can go ahead and open up your Google Home on your phone, and you can reconnect that and start everything back from the very beginning. So pretty simple. Good luck.